2019 Toyota Sequoia. Sequoia is perfect for any adventure, offering spacious comfort and style for up to 8 passengers. With Sequoia, peace of mind comes standard with 8 airbags, including an all-row side curtain airbag. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, heated front seats, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.